Hello, creative minds. Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today, we're going to dive into the world of plugins and learn how to install them to enhance your editing capabilities. Let's get started. First, make sure you've downloaded your plugin from your preferred source. In my case, I've got Magic Zoom Volume 3 in my Downloads folder. Once you've got your plugin ready, the installation is simple. Just double-click the downloaded file. You'll see a pop-up window with the Install button. In my case, it says Install Magic Zoom. Click that, and the magic will happen. After the plugin is installed, head over to DaVinci Resolve. The plugin will likely appear in the Effects section. To find it quickly, just type Z in the search bar. You'll see Magic Zoom Volume 3 now available in your effects library. And there you have it, an easy, seamless installation of a plugin in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tips. See you in the next video.